looks insane, brother.
Congratulations.
Same.
So the concept is it's a fire-based restaurant where everything is revolving around the live grill. We use global and local produce and treat it with Indian sensibilities. So the whole restaurant revolves around this grill
So Japanese. I feel like I've just come back.
and the
yeah,
tandoor.
bye.
This is a 7-seater here where it's a tasting menu. It's called the Home Food Theatre.
So they make it in front of you.
Make it in front of you. The chefs are your servers. They make it and they serve it to you right here.
Got it.
At home, the soul is fire.
Got it.
That's the live kitchen. Everything is in front of you. So my major chunk of the kitchen is outside.
Got it.
The fire grill, the tandoor, the plancha, everything is made in here. 80% of the dishes are cooked here, right in front of you.
Got it. Got it.
These are the theatre seats which you have in front. You see some of them theatre seats because you see all the action.
What do you guys think about the place so far?
It's sick. Design is sick.
So Pratik is actually a close friend, like a childhood close friend. So seeing him bring his dream alive is pretty insane. It's beautiful.
So Kriti, what about you?
I am just hungry and congratulations Pratik. I can't believe how nice this place is. Honestly, and I've not even started seeing the menu, but it looks so good.
There are no small plates or large plates. We want you all to share.
Got it.
So that's how we portion them so that once they're placed on the table, you all can go attack as well. Since carbs fill you up, we put them at the last. We serve only kulchas, and then at the end is the best parts of the meal, desserts.
Amazing. So there are no carbs up until the end.
No, not at all. At the end, so which is right here. You see. So these are all the plates, and then you have some limited kulchas and limited desserts as well.
Amazing.
Then at the base you have the sawn chutney and the mint chutney along with some crispy khatta meeta, and you have the aerated yogurt on top. Wow. Now,
What do you all think? The first bite?
Fabulous.
Insane.
Burst of flavor.
Hello ma'am, Ashish. Nice to meet you too. That's our beverage menu. I'll just take you through the concept. So the beverage program over here, we focus on simple ingredients, local ingredients, but the technique which we use is totally different. Something like your sous vide, your cryofiltration, your fat washing, your milk wash. And I want to play with something like two ingredients which doesn't go together, like bell pepper and mango. I mean, never thought of being a drink of it, but I tried. The product came out very nice. Put it in the drink. I loved it. So I was like, let's do it.
Bell pepper and mango.
Very tasty.
So Ashes Too Long is what base?
It's a whiskey, but it doesn't taste like whiskey. It's whiskey, hojicha.
I want to know what that is.
And this is what base?
It's tequila. Coconut tequila, mango, bell pepper.
Cheers.
Wow. Sorry for jumping ahead.
Oh my God.
I wanted to taste it while you were.
If that's marshmallow, you have to jump in.
This is amazing.
Wow.
That's like-
Never imagine like a bell pepper and mango going together. in
I
such
love
a way.
it. It's like a little bit like jalapeno
at the
vibe.
base we have this Kerala style Malabar mud crab. Then on top is this scallop which is cooked on the embers of the coal. Straight up on the coal, not on the grill. We have some lime segments, crisp curry leaves as well. The sauce which I'll be pouring over is a take on the Moini curry.
What do you guys think about the cocktails?
I'm in love with this oolong cocktail.
I have a bell pepper. I was just going to eat it and I remember I hate bell pepper, but this is so good.
That's the mango bell. But Pratik was hyping up this drink a lot and it lived up. So good. This is what you call a perfectionist.
Wow.
A man who loves his art.
That is not the belly which you ordered, right? I saw like the layers of the fashion. It's not the way I want it to be.
Got it.
It's a bit too tough. It's not as fatty as I want. So I
So
will
we
not get
appreciate that so much.
That's an artist at work.
Yes, we get something else. I mean, whatever we've had so far.
Everything's
has
been
amazing.
fantastic. So good.
Thank you.
Come hungry, so it's even better.
Amazing. Thank you for being so.
Of course,
We'll be
love
regular.
it.
We'll be regular. So we'll be seeing you more often.
Yeah, we get the family.
Yeah, we get the
that
family.
kind of-
This is maple butter and maple and butter basically with a vanilla pod ice cream with some crushed nuts. This is one of my favorites again.
Oh my god, what is this?
This is saffron. So at the base you have gajar ka halwa. Right
What is
here,
it?
which
Yeah,
you
I
see,
was just gonna say.
milk skin. Now this one, this chocolate soil at the base, which we make it in house. We have a Caliber 45 chocolate mousse on top. In-house made chocolate sauce. Again some chocolate soil, crushed nuts, Malden sea salt.
Trying the split decision. Cheers. Cheers.
Because this drink is Mango Bell, so I'm dancing like a bell. Like there are some drinks like sour, like Vegetable sour, Disco sour. It's made with egg white. I serve with egg white only. But it depends, because a lot of bars, what they do, they remove the egg white, they keep it, and then they use it. So it starts like that. Because egg white, after 30 seconds, it's gone.
Lovely meeting us, Saurabh. Thank you so much for a lovely evening. Catch you soon. Bring our families, everyone over here.
Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Thanks for everything. Such a good experience. Yeah. Congratulations, brother. Proud of you. Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Made an amazing experience. Catch you soon.
Did this on purpose. Basically, the sofas were supposed to be inside, but they were occupying too much space. I was like,
We made a cozy corner here.
let's get them outside. That's what we did, and that's
Well, the DJ's also going to be here, right?
right here.
Oh, you're building that harder.
Scaffolding happening because we're still working on the ceiling.
Got it.
These beats have to be still completed, but there will be a DJ counter over here. So like good, nice, cheery vibe, not like a nightclub.
Yeah. No nightclub. Gotta eat here. This is
Yes.
the vibe, yeah.
Yeah.
Love it. Love it.
Come for the
Thanks,
food,
yeah.
stay for the drinks, and then just stay back like that. That's what you want.
Yes, thank you.
Thanks so much.
Bye.